Oh my God, you guys have been very patient, huh? How many of you are hungry? I am. You guys are lying. All of you are hungry. But guess what? You're stuck with me and you have to listen to me. No choice. But let's make it more fun. How many of you have watched my show on Zoom? Anyone? Someone? Okay, good. So what we're really trying to do is get the Indian culture more involved in Zumba fitness. Zumba fitness is international. It's inspired by dancers from across the world. And my job as the master trainer for India is to take that Indian culture internationally. I'm going to talk more later after we do this. I want everyone to stand up. I know you're hungry, but stand up, stand up, stand up. Guess what? We're going to dance. I know. Shit. Okay, listen. Don't worry at all. Can I have my husband bring me my... That's my husband. Very supportive. How many of you have supportive husbands? Round of applause for him. Okay. Oh my God, this is going to be fun. So, I just want everyone to understand, I am going to talk after this, so don't run away, okay? Can anyone tell me what is Zumba? Can anyone tell me what do you think is Zumba? Any Zumba instructors here? Anyone who has tried Zumba before? Has tried Zumba before? Oh, this is going to be fun. I can do anything I want and you won't even know it's right or wrong, right? Okay, cool. Zumba is a workout and it's inspired by dance. We don't want you to be perfect in dancing. It's about movement. It's supposed to be fun. I can do salsa today. I can do merengue. I can do flamenco. But guess what? Let's do some Bollywood. Who's in for Bollywood? Bollywood, Bollywood? Some of you are scared. Who's scared? Kezad, you have to be right in front with me. Kezad, sir. You have to be right in front of me. I'm going to select a song. What I want is everyone to just follow, do as much as you can. Can I have the music higher? You guys have to try it with me a little bit. Sorry, I'm putting in a spot. It'll be fun. Okay, let's play. Vivek. Try. Okay. Give me one.
Girl, you're my chalo. Where you go, girl? I'm gonna follow.
Awesome. Can I have some music now? Cool.
Shawty, I'm gonna get ya. You know I'm gonna get ya. You know I'll even let you be my chalo. Aja nache baby chalo. Aaperi hole aja pari bajirado. Aaperi akhiyon se akhiyon milare. Apna nakleri ka. Wanna be my chalo. Wanna be my chalo. Wanna be my chalo. Wanna be my chalo. तू मेरी चमक चलो तेरी पिक्चर का मैं हीरो Give it to me दिल मुझको दे दो You can be my चमक चलो Shawty, I'm gonna get ya. You know I'm gonna get ya. Maybe I'll even let you be my चमक चमक चलो कैसा शर्माना आजा नचे तेरी तारे
Spoil sports. Okay, thank you for at least standing. Thank you. So, I'm going to talk now. I entertained you guys. I deserve my time. First of all, a big, big, big thank you to ATP, Dr. Alap. Because sitting on this dais with such renowned stalwarts of fitness, it's an honor. I don't think personally I deserve to be sitting there, but it's an honor. If you saw me, the whole time I was like, he's talking, and he's talking. What can I learn? All the time I was like there, because I'm selfish and I want to learn. I'm not from this industry. I'm an engineer, electrical electronics engineer, yes. And so is RDGP sir. We are from the same college, by the way. Same college, engineers. And worked in the corporate field for 5 years, and now finally in the fitness industry by chance. And I love it because I have people like Kezad. Can we have a round of applause for him one more time? Kezad Kapadia in the house. I have people like him to look up to. Why shouldn't I feel like being in the fitness industry? I have people like him to learn from. And I had such a beautiful conversation with you in the morning, and you started off the session. Can we have a round of applause for Doctor? I'm the youngest one here. I'm the youngest one over here, but youngest one in the fitness industry too. But let's see, how much can young people change this world? I think that's the vision of ATB. That's the vision of Fit India. I have a few things that I need to really put it out, because I have also the honor to represent Zumba Fitness. A quickie about Zumba Fitness. It is a company, guys. No one can just stand up and become and tell themselves as a Zumba instructor. You have to be licensed under the company. It's based in Miami. It's in 185 countries, covers almost the world. And I have 50 million people doing Zumba Fitness every week at a particular point of time. Which fitness format has achieved that? Anyone? No one. It's Zumba. And people laughed at Zumba because it's dance-based. It's for women. The same people who laughed at Zumba Fitness have actually given Zumba Fitness the Visionary Award. And if you did not know, but we got the Visionary Award at the IRSA Awards in Vegas. It is like the Oscars of fitness. So we got the Visionary Award. The same people who laughed at us. Wow. Why? Today we have XYZ dance fitness workout based on the model of Zumba Fitness. Why? I'll tell you why, and I'll bring the example back to India, because we are in India. I don't bother what's happening in Germany, what's happening in China. I am the master trainer for India. I found Zumba Fitness in 2009 in the US, and I shifted back in 2012. And my work has been to train the trainers. And it's my pleasure, I'm not boasting, it's my pleasure, my honor to have trained over 2,500 Zumba instructors in India alone. Thank you. Someone clapped. Okay. Every weekend, for the last 3 years, I've been training. I thank God for the opportunity. But there are 3 things that have happened in India. First, we have created jobs. I just mentioned that. There are people, and in the morning I was having a conversation with Doctor, and I said, there was this boy from a very, very low standard of living who never dreamt of owning a car. After 2 years of being a Zumba Fitness instructor, he now owns a Nano. It's a big deal for him. Big deal. I come from Ranchi. You know who was my senior in school? Guess. Thank you, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He missed a chance to date me. He just missed it. I am from that same level. 3-tier cities, 2-tier cities. Mr. Dipesh, Mr. Alab has been talking about it. It's about women empowerment. I like to actually, it's funny, why am I only one sitting here? I don't understand. I personally feel, no offense to anyone, the organizers, but I personally really believe that Ms. Disha and Mrs. Kapadia should have also been sitting there. Can we have a round of applause for them? Can you please stand up for me? Because you guys are inspiration. We need more women sitting there. And I really believe in it. Love you guys. But women empowerment is what we've done in India. There have been incidents, and I again would like to share, where women who have had miscarriages have given up their lives for their kids, and it's a choice, let me tell you that. And they want to come back, they've left their corporate lives, and now want to make a name for themselves. How many women in the house? Put your hand up for me. All the women, all the ladies, all the girls. Are you not girls? Are you sure you're not girls? Okay, cool. If you believe you can do it, and there should be no one stopping you from doing what you believe. If Mrs. Kapadia can do squats with 100 kilos, why can't we? She has proved it. Please look up to them. We've created that with Zumba Fitness. Life-changing. My mother-in-law, Vivek, my husband, is sitting right there. I have a lovely, I wouldn't be here if it wouldn't have been for my mother-in-law. She is 65, she has arthritis, and she rocks it in Zumba. She was featured also in my Zoom TV series. Today, she doesn't have any knee pain, and she can literally walk up the stairs without any help. That is what Zumba Fitness is doing. We've done all of this. What's the future? I was just sitting and discussing with my partner. You know what? I think Gujarat hasn't seen the power of fitness yet, Zumba yet. What can we do? And that's the time when Mr. Alap himself called me, and I was like, wow. And he came to me and said, do you want to be part of this? I said, yes, of course. This is what we want to do. Our focus for 2015, 2015, almost done, is to consistently create jobs in Gujarat, in the country. Keep more training sessions. Make sure we empower women and change lives. Now that will only happen if we have the support of the government, which we have. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. It means the world to us. But can we promise as individuals that we are going to take our thought process and bring it to a different level altogether, where we know that X, Y, Z is the process. We have been given the tools and guidelines through ATP, through Fit India, to up our level, to use it, and not waste it. I'll tell you what do I mean by not wasting it. I'm going to end my conversation here. I know everyone is hungry. When I moved from the US in 2009 I was in the US from 2009 to 2012, and I came back in 2012 to India, and as a master trainer of Zumba International. I did not have a training under my name. I was still undergoing a little bit of training, but there was an international Zumba trainer who was supposed to come and conduct a training in Pune. Her name was Anna, and she was from Romania, Firang. What do we think about Firangs? And no offense, I have a lot of Firang friends. They're the best. If I'm standing here and she's standing here, who's better? She's better, anytime. They don't care. That's exactly what happened. She did not get her visa to come to India. So Zumba told me, Sucheta, you have to do this training. I said, okay, no problem. I traveled to Pune, forgot my shoes, did the whole training without shoes, by the way. But when I entered the training, I had one lady come to me and say, I want a refund for my training. And I said, why? She said, no, I signed up because Anna from Romania is supposed to do this training. And I said to her, listen, it doesn't matter. It's a Zumba fitness training. It's me or her. We are all master trainers internationally, and it's the same format. No, I signed up because it was international trainer, Anna. And I said to her, and I asked her, do you know Anna personally? And she looked at me. And I gave her the money back. I did not tell her a word. But in my mind, I thought to myself, it's us, which is the problem. Two ways. One, we undermine ourselves as Indians. So when Dr. Alap said, why go to a different country and get ourselves trained? Why not up our level here? That should be our first focus. Let's up our level from India so that we believe in ourselves. Does everyone understand this? It's a two-way method. One, we have to believe in our own kind. We have to believe that Indians can be at that level. Second, where will that belief come from? If we up our level. So we have to upgrade, we have to learn, we have to be top class. I'm going to end my session with that note. Thank you so much for listening, guys. You were an amazing, amazing audience. Thank you. Thank you.